So let me show you how you can grow an appointment setter business, scaling from 5 to 10 calls a day to 100 plus without hiring more people. Okay, so obviously here are why most appointment setter businesses stay small. So you have human setters that are doing the work. They are limited by hours. They have sick days. They have inconsistent messaging. It's expensive while scaling because you have to train and hire more people, and you have high churn. When this is the reality, right? If one setter books 5 to 10 calls a day, you need 10 setters to book 100. But usually, not every setter will book 5 to 10 calls a day. So that's salaries, training, management, QA, and basically a headache and a very big chaos. So more people doesn't literally equal more profit in every single scenario. So here's the math problem, right? You have one example here, which is one human setter, and you have 1.5K per month salary. So that setter books 150 calls per month, and cost per booked call is, let's say, $10. So now with that, factor in management, missed calls, and underperformance, right? So then on the other side, you have an AI setter, which works 24/7. It handles unlimited conversations, and it never forgets the follow-up. And also it scales instantly. So you don't pretty much have any more headaches, no training, and everything is in one place. So real cost is higher, and this is where AI changes the game. So here is how AI appointment setters are basically creating an infinite leverage in your business. So they instantly respond to every lead. They follow up automatically. They qualify leads every single day, every single second. They're not sleeping 24/7. You can reschedule no-shows, or the AI reschedule no-shows automatically. It handles Instagram, Facebook, website chat, SMS, pretty much every single thing and every single communication channel. And again, as I said, they work 24/7. So 50 to 80% of sales happen after 5+ follow-ups. Most humans will stop at 2, and that's a statistic. Well, AI doesn't stop at 2. It keeps on going, and even you can set up quite a good follow-up sequence if you know what you're doing. So this is usually how it works, right? You have lead generation, then AI qualification, AI booking, and then a sales call. With this, you're pretty much doing this part with AI, as you can see. And again, more leads without better qualification is chaos. So AI will filter the bad leads so that you increase the show-up rate, because again, if you have worse, like really bad leads, that leads to no shows. Okay, so AI will filter bad leads, and sales team will only talk to the buyers, and only like serious buyers. So this in return gives you higher close rate, lower cost per acquisition, and more booked calls without any payroll growth. Now, start with human setters, but make sure you're scaling with AI, because we're living in a day and age where AI is becoming better. And obviously, at some point you will integrate AI within your business. So this is what I'm using currently. I'm using Appointwise, and Appointwise allows you to deploy AI appointment setters, automate multi-channel conversations through, Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, SMS, and you can handle unlimited inbound leads. You can also track conversations and increase the show-up rates automatically. And everything is done in one user interface like this one. So obviously you can test out Appointwise if you want. We have a link in the description. However, what I wanted to say is, with AI, you need to hire 2 more setters, and that will cost you $3,000 per month. Plus, you don't know if those setters are really that great. With AI, you deploy the AI through Appointwise, you scale conversations instantly, and you keep your margin high. So in this case, manual setters are limited, AI setters are scalable, and hybrid is unstoppable, especially at the start. So if you want to set this up for yourself, we have a full playlist of the videos on our channel, where you can go through each video and see how you can integrate, Appointwise with CRMs like Go High Level, and how you can actually go and test this for yourself. Now, if you want to test this for yourself, you can click the first link in the description, or you can book a call with us, and we can install the appointment setter, AI appointment setter within your business. just book a call down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any specific questions, make sure to comment them down below, and we'll see you in the next video.